The first, we are going to learn about count number of people in Japanese language. In Japanese language, they use nin, which means the kanji of people. And you can put the number in front of the kanji of nin. Let's go to look at some example. Hitori, which means one people or one person. Futari, two people. Sannin, three people. Yonin, four people. Gonin, five people. Rokunin, six people. For the counting for one people and two people, it has the special sound. So you have to remember. For example, for one people, they use hitori. They don't use ichinin, right? And for the two people, they use futari, not ninin. But from the three people up to more, they use the sound of the number. For example, sang, right? Sangnin, and yon, yonin, something like that. Gonin, lokunin, which it had the sound of nin after the number. And then you have to remember for the special sound for counting for one people and two people. The next, shichinin or nananin, which means seven people. For the seven people, you can have you can say two sounds, shichinin or nananin, which means seven people, had the same meaning. Hachinin, eight people. Kyunin, nine people. Junin, 10 people. And if you want to say how many people, you say Nan Nin. Or you can say in the polite form, Nan Nin desu ka? For example, you want to say how many people are there? You could say Asako ni nan nin ga imasu ka? Something like that. So you should remember that they use for the nin to count for